where a fire has started, and we did not know the cause of the fire, but the entire premises, all the classrooms, all the entire premises, including the hostel, has been burned down to ashes. And as you can see behind me, there's the fire that is raging. So we will not know what the cause of the fire is, but at the end of the day, there is something that a blaze has been happening. A blaze has been happening, and we are optimistic that the fire service will be able to come here and reach here as soon as possible. We are anticipating that everything will be under control. The police service is on, so is the entire fire services. So we do not know the cause of the fire. Until now, there has been no casualty. All the borders have been evacuated from their residents. All the hostelers have been evacuated from their residence, and we hope that this incident will be coming under control. Ê bị tu ya thua biang kerja kamu ningkong.
Yo ya, ya.
Kamu beje kata?
Menelak lagi beje, tahu tengok dia ada kami jadi jangan ibat anda sini tambah debat kali lain. Sebab dia barat nak syarakat.
Okay.
One of the oldest schools in the state, the Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Girls Higher Secondary School Shillong, was razed to the ground when in the wee hours of Sunday morning it was consumed by a fire. The 131-year-old educational institution situated in Mission Compound, Maukhar, Shillong, was burnt to ashes, the cause of which is yet to be known. As per reports of witnesses, a fire had broken out at around 1 a.m. and this had spread through every nook and corner of the Assam-type school building. When fire tenders arrived at the spot, the raging inferno had already consumed the entire wooden structure of the school. It is, however, a miracle that all students residing within the school hostel were able to be evacuated on time and later accommodated at the community hall of Mission Compound, Shillong.
Jaintia ada mulai syariah. Namun kita bukan emergency. Di on the road masih iba kadon saya ding kebayan. Di mat around arsitek ni. Kalau kita nongrim ya wat keleng-keleng di lapak kita beri PCP school. Kini lalong syariah jing perkendik tentang peringkat lihat senyap di Shillong tahap ini. Nang Shillong nak Lepas Shillong juga mission compound buat baru tu lepas Shillong lagi ini banyak persiapan tem Laiwan ke polis Melayu yang buat kifayah service di negara Shillong tu kam slam nak hendak nama tu suruh di lenti Bandung tu kam kamrit kam kim jadi orang tanah orang Melayu yang kawan tem tu aja negara ding school tu ada service kita kalau ada jenis apa slam bah masih spa slam tam. Kalau kita dulu nak berkau, soalnya itu boleh kalau bah nggak diikat jenjang.
Kalau kita lihat jadi sumsi itu boleh lupa. Nama bah kini ke school, kini ke monumen nama kata Mission Compound, bagi nama kata balan, lagi jadi sekri. Atas Pak Snem, but tentang ke way ke lat kalau kibor kita ditik ya ke next school in hapan sedang biang nur sedang ban ra biang ya ke singai di samla na puli ni kunti no song ha mission ni so du kakta de ke so ke jong ni kawan dia jenjang kan ni yang ingat ba ki ba kelon ki yang dia kata support dengan yang ini kita nakaliang ka administration nakaliang ki beroski bantek ya kan ka school kin sa la bandai ida kanono kala tunti ka ba kila banyak pendet masih kini ning kong ya nakaliang sinong den ki rangba ni akan mau ning kong dia ki na hostel nomor pintai nang bakin ya sakma yawan alam klo ki sini sekolah berbar ni pendrung ki ni IT ki warden juga hostel ni bakin stage na yang ini nak kena Shillong ni aron sabab kita di bahaya asam di bawah wat na ni penduduk ki jika bangila mana nak lihat Shillong ni ba kamstok ban yo di depan nawar bugari sini inilah ya pendiang ban mentah kita ya chat sa kadut ban yo ban IT